As we develop these technologies, our goal is to service the customer needs, and certainly that's what the customer thinks they want, but also, as you develop new tech, we think we can deliver things that people don't even know they want yet, and that's going to manifest itself in a lot of ways. So I think we will see some above-grade systems. We're definitely going to see some tunneled systems, and we also want to do some underwater systems.
Let's talk about the engineering challenges that you're still working on to solve. Give us an idea. One potential issue, if you're in a tube, don't you have to evacuate the tube? And how do you keep the vacuum in that? And how big a vacuum, that kind of thing?
Yeah, that's a great question. One of the things that we really liked about the system-level architecture that Elon Musk developed is that it's not a hard vacuum. So maintaining a hard vacuum like they have at CERN, the Super Collider, takes a lot of energy, and it's really hard to get that last mile. So we're kind of operating in what we think is sort of the sweet spot of energy usage, where we're at low pressure, low enough that there's very little aerodynamic drag, but also high enough that it's easy to maintain, not only get to, but even if there's leaks or other things that kind of happen in a robust system. So we really think we kind of are going to be operating in the sweet spot of that vacuum.
And its propulsion system, you're working on that. I know it's levitating like a maglev train, like magnetic levitation, and you found a way to have what's called a linear motor. How does a linear motor work?
Same way a rotary electric motor works. You kind of energize in a rotary motor. You have a rotor and a stator. The stator being stationary, the rotor being the moving part. As you energize it, you create an electromagnetic field, which causes the thing to move. We just do that in a linear fashion. So our stator, the stationary part, is actually on the tube on the wayside, and the rotor part is on the vehicle. So as we energize the coils, in our case, on the tube, they create a magnetic field. We have magnets on the pod. The magnets don't like that magnetic field, and they run away, and we kind of chase the pod away. So it's a fully non-contact propulsion system, and also a non-contact levitation system, which is part of the reason we can achieve high speeds and achieve ultra-low turbulence and achieve really low maintenance costs.